Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about rules of med, lesson 16. And med means to stretch, right? Med yamuddu, meddun, and mudud, and everything comes from this stretching. Uh, and it has a couple of examples here, mashallah, a really cool book. So the rule for med, we have three types of med that we'll go through here. Remember, there's three letters for med. Have them memorized: alif, waw, and ya. Alif, waw, and ya. And today we're going to be learning a new thing. This is the med sign. This one right here. This med sign. So this is also important for them to get used to knowing. Whenever they see this, it can be either med munfasil, med muttasil, or med lazim. We'll talk about the differences here below and how you should try your best to explain it to them in a simple way. So first one is the al-med, al-munfasil, the separated med. Just show them the word, inshallah. Don't talk about what it is. They're not going to understand here. Show them the word and apply it. So what are we going to do? We're going to look at these two words over here. These are both alifs, right? One is one alif with the one's an actual alif, the other one's a hamza. So when alif, waw, or ya are followed by a hamza, like here, we're going to stretch. How are we going to stretch? إذا أراد بما أوحينا. I'm circling all the hamzas for you guys so you can see. All right. Over here we have now a waw followed with a hamza. توبوا إلى الله ما أصاب يا بني آدم. Okay. So let's get the concept of med with them understood first before we go into the differences between munfasil, muttasil, and lazim, because then they're going to get very confused. Might need more than one class to actually explain this. Okay, so what is a med, guys? It's when we stretch. When we see the symbol, right? We see this symbol up here, we're going to stretch. How long? 4 to 5 counts, right? As Shatibi says in his book. We're going to stretch 4 to 5 counts. 4 to 5 counts, okay? And you can even give them a way to kind of count that by sticking each finger out one by one as a one count. The time it takes for one finger to come out of your hand is one count. So 4 fingers would be 4 counts, 5 fingers would be 5 counts, one after the other, not all together, right? Okay, now we understand what med is. You just go through ja'a, sa'a, sha'a, right? Go through all of these and just read them. Okay, read them. Just put it in their head whenever they see this med sign that they're going to be stretching. This is 4 or 5. You say 5, 5, and then 6. But we're going to explain the 6th one specifically. How do we know it's 6? After the med sign, we see a shadda. A right? And then this one over here specifically as well, when we see after the med sign, a sukoon. الآن. All right. Before, uh, now that they understand what med is, you're going to explain very carefully. How are they going to know that it's two different words? That is going to be a little bit difficult until they understand more about Arabic. But you can just say, let's split up a word for munfasil. Why is it called separated med? They're going to ask question, this one, why is it like this? So munfasil is a med. Yes, we make it 4 to 5 counts. Um, but it's called munfasil because the letter of Hamza is not in the same word that has the med symbol or the med letter. Med letter is actually correct, but I'm trying to simplify it, right? And muttasil has the med symbol and the med letter with Hamza in the word. So these are 2 words. These are 3 words. This is 1 word, 1 word, 1 word. Okay. So try and let that sink in for a second. And then when it comes to med lazim, it is in the same word, but there is a shadda after the med sign or the med letter. Next time we'll be talking about rules of lam, inshallah. Follow me along. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.